Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add a button in Excel to run macro. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. So we have some kind of simple macro. It performs a specific task. For example, I wrote a simple macro that works by displaying the words "Hello World" in any cell on the worksheet. For more information about creating simple macros, see this video. And to avoid calling the macro run menu every time, let's create a button that will run this macro. To add the button to run a macro, we need Developer tab. See how to add it in this video. So go to the Developer tab, then in the Controls group, click Insert, and then in the Form Controls section, select Button. Now with the leftmost button, we draw a button of the desired size, and immediately after that, the macro assignment window opens. Here you can have a list of macros, select the one you need, and then click OK. Now our button and macro are linked to each other. Great, let's check how our button works. Select a cell or range of cells and click on the button. And as you can see, everything is working great. The inscription "Hello World" appeared in all the selected cells. Additionally, we can customize our button a bit. Right-click on the button and select Edit Text, and change the label inside the button. Or right-click and select Format Control, and already in this menu we change the font style for the button, align the label, resize the button itself, and so on. Unfortunately, the toolkit for customizing the button is not very wide, and in order to make a really beautiful macro button, we use shapes, icons, images, word art, and other elements that can be found in the Insert tab. For example, let's select a shape and make it a button for our macro. Add an inscription inside the shape. Change its color, borders, and so on. As you have already understood, this button is customized as a regular shape. And most importantly, we'll link the macro to this button. Right-click on the shape and select Assign Macro. Select the macro and click OK. We check how it works. Yes, everything got the inscription "Hello World" appeared in the cells. That's all, now you know a little more, thanks for watching.